Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to create YouTube story, and you can run this particular story entire week, means 7 days, but it's require 10,000 subscriber. So how to create your own story? Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So look at this. Now let's start as demonstration using mobile application of YouTube. So you need to log in first of all in your YouTube channel. So my YouTube channel is Research Rocks, so please subscribe this one. And here addition button is coming. You just simply press here addition, and then look at this, here several options are coming. Here you can see here add to your story options, second number option, fifth number option. Click here and you can add here photo, video, or which pictures. You can add here whatever you want, like a pictures, video, or any other task. So I just simply upload here one of my picture like this, and you can type here morning exercise. You can put it here some of the text, and you can add where you want add, and then simply next. My story is online. It's very simple tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.